Hey, students, welcome to Bridge Academy Grade 11 Geography Lessons. Unit 1, Formation of the Earth's Continents, Lesson 3, Meaning of Geologic Timescale. At the end of this unit, you will be able to use the geological time scale for the explanation of the geological processes, resultant features, and associated life forms. Introduction. The previous lesson, Introduction to Geological Timescale, explained how geologic timescale divides time using rocks and fossils to show Earth's changes. This lesson explores what the geologic timescale means and why it is important. It also describes the timescale's purpose, its structure, and how it helps us understand the planet's past in a simple way. The geologic timescale is like a calendar for Earth's history. It splits time into units based on big events, like new animals or land changes. These units are eons, eras, periods, and epochs. Eons are the largest, which began 541 million years ago. Eras are smaller parts of eons, periods are smaller still, and epochs are the smallest. Each unit has a name and time range. Let us see in detail. The geologic timescale is a simple system that organizes Earth's 4.6 billion year history into time units like eons, eras, periods, and epochs. It uses rocks and fossils to show when big events, like mass extinctions or mountain formation, happened. It connects Earth's processes, like plate tectonics and volcanism, to landforms and life changes. For example, it shows when dinosaurs lived or when continents moved. It helps find resources, study past climates, and predict hazards. Built by scientists using fossils and radiometric dating, it's a clear guide to Earth's past, making history easy to understand for everyone. The timescale shows how Earth's processes shape our planet. These processes move continents and build mountains. Volcanoes create new land, like islands. Erosion wears down rocks, and sedimentation makes new layers. These processes leave clues in rocks. For example, a layer of volcanic ash shows when an eruption happened. The time scale uses these clues to set time boundaries. A big event, like a mass extinction, starts a new time unit. This helps scientists know when things happened. Fossils are a big part of the timescale's meaning. Fossils are remains of ancient plants or animals. They show what lived in each time unit. For example, trilobite fossils are from the Paleozoic era, and dinosaur fossils are from the Mesozoic era. Fossils help scientists match rock layers across the world. If two places have the same fossils, the rocks are the same age. This is called correlation. The time scale uses correlation to create a global timeline for scientists to share. The time scale also tracks how life changed. Life began with simple bacteria over 3.5 billion years ago. Over time, life got more complex. The Cambrian explosion, 541 million years ago, brought many new animals. Dinosaurs ruled or dominated in the Mesozoic era in Earth's history. After they went extinct, mammals grew in the Cenozoic era. The time scale shows how life adapted to Earth's changes. The time scale links these life changes to Earth's events. The time scale helps scientists study Earth's past. It shows old climates. The time scale helps find resources too. Oil and gas are often in rocks from certain periods. It also helps predict hazards. By studying old earthquakes in rocks, scientists learn where new ones might happen. The time scale makes these studies easier by giving a clear timeline. The time scale was developed over time. In the 1800s, scientists like William Smith used fossils to order rock layers. They named periods after places, like the Devonian from Devon, England. Later, radiometric dating gave exact ages for rocks. This made the time scale more accurate. Today, scientists keep adding new data. The time scale tells the story of Earth's rocks, landforms, and life in one system. The time scale is not just for scientists. It helps everyone understand Earth. It shows how mountains formed and how life evolved. It connects past events to today's world. For example, knowing when coal formed helps us find energy. Understanding past climates helps us study global warming. The Timescale is a guide to Earth's long history, making it easier to learn about our planet. Summary: the Geologic Timescale is a system to understand Earth's 4.6 billion year history. It divides time into units like eons, eras, periods, and epochs. It uses rocks and fossils to show when events happened. The Timescale connects Earth's processes, like plate tectonics, to landforms and life changes. Fossils help match rocks across the world. It helps find resources, study old climates, and predict hazards. Its structure is clear and useful. Built by scientists over time, it combines old and new data. The Timescale helps everyone learn about Earth's past and how it shapes our lives today. Review questions with answers. 1. What is the Geologic Timescale? Answer: the Geologic Timescale is a tool that organizes Earth's 4.6 billion year history into time units like eons, eras, periods, and epochs. 2. How do fossils help the Geologic Timescale? Answer: fossils show what lived in each time unit and help match rock layers across the world through correlation. 3. What are some Earth processes the Timescale shows? Answer: the Timescale shows processes like plate tectonics, volcanism, erosion, and sedimentation that shape landforms like mountains and islands. 4. How does the Timescale help in everyday life? Answer: it helps find resources like oil, study past climates, and predict hazards like earthquakes. 5. How was the Geologic Timescale developed? Answer: scientists like William Smith used fossils to order rock layers in the 1800s, and radiometric dating later gave exact ages, making it more accurate. Thank you. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you so much for tuning in.